In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate the lead sound from the track Geht, Noch, which I believe means Are You Crazy in German. The track was produced by the German artist himself, Roman Flugel. The track was released also in 2004 by Cocoon Recordings. Until this day, it's an all-time cult classic. For this demonstration, I'm using the TAL Bassline 101 plugin that emulates the Roland SH-101 analog synthesizer. You can also find this sound on my free TAL Bassline 101 preset pack, which I will link down below. Okay, now let's dive into Ableton. The track is on 122 BPM and I think it's in key of D minor. This is the MIDI, so you can copy it from here, or you can send me a message to send you the file. For this sound, we're gonna need only the sawtooth wave, and we're not gonna change something else. On the VCF section, we're gonna reduce a little bit the frequency around the third line, somewhere like that, and the resonance somewhere on the third line from the bottom, somewhere here, and that's it for the VCF. VCA will leave it as it is, the envelope will leave it as it is, and on the VCO section, we're gonna put the range on 2, and we're gonna increase a little bit the modulation amount, somewhere like that. And on the modulator section, we're not gonna touch anything. And the last setting we're going to change is the portamento. We're gonna increase this a little bit close to the middle, somewhere like that. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. It's quite a simple sound. It's mostly like to choose the right synthesizer to get close to the original sound. And now let's listen to the final result. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe. You can also hit like and comment. And if you want to support me even more, you can buy one of my sample libraries. And until the next time, goodbye.